Where do you want your cheese? Show Mama.
Da.
Show Mama.
Da. Da.
Where do you want your cheese?
Fish. Fish. Fish.
Where do you want it?
Milk. Wa. Milk. Da. Milk. Sa. Milk.
Where do you want your cheese?
Milk.
Are we playing what goes in what space?
Okay.
Oh, you're trying to stack them on top of one another? That's very creative. What was that? Ellie, you went swimming today and you are eating up a storm. Ellie, are you tired? Are you sleepy? Are you gonna go night-night? Say, night-night. You going night-night? Oh, you're so busy. Busy with the milk. What was that? Are you pushing off the table? Hi.